many people read and enjoy, are also a leading cause of bacterial infection. Library books. They sit in one location and are used by many people. What does this mean? Now even books are a threat to our health. Now you can continue to read safely. LIVA Book Sterilizer is here. With its one-touch button, LIVA is easy to use for everyone. Only 30 seconds will get rid of the finest dust particles and germs. But wait, LIVA is not only for books. Your purse or wallet, cell phone, and keychain. All the things you carry with you every day, accumulating germs without your knowledge. Leave it to LIVA. Does 30 seconds sound like a long time? While you wait, you can interact with a variety of content on the display. For example, at the library, preview disinfected books. At local coffee shops and book cafes, check out upcoming events. At your children's school or daycare, get news and information. At the airport or subway, view timetables, prices, and transfers. At various stores and restaurants, check out the menu and special offers. Shh! Advertisers, your attention please. 30 seconds of targeted ad exposure will maximize your advertising expenditure. LIVA gets it done. The value of your library. The value of your life. LIVA.